Hi everybody, hello, how are you all doing? Welcome to a new video on my channel, and this video is amazing, and like the description, the title on this video can already describe itself. It's about the vision board. So today in this video I'm going to show you how I have designed my own vision board. I know it's mid of the year, but it's better late than never. And also, if you are new to my channel, then for a quick introduction, my name is Anamika Rana, and in this channel we talk about spirituality, astrology, numerology, and much more. So without wasting much time, let's quickly head start to how I'm gonna make my vision board. But for a quick introduction, for those who don't know what exactly vision board is, well, a vision board is a very simple pictorial depiction of all your goals, all your dreams, your aspirations for over 1 year to 5 years timeline. We usually try to keep the vision board up to 5 years and not more than that. That's like my personal choice, because I feel that goals keep changing, so it's always important, it's always recommended to keep it short and crisp and simple. So now let's start making the vision board. So these are the only things I have right now which will help me in making my vision board. First, I have some blank A4 sheets. I usually try keeping them always with myself because they really can come handy, when I want to write something quick, and I don't know, like it just feels very easy to have them. Then if you can see, I have some colorful sketch pens and some glitters and a scale as well. So these are some basic stationery items I usually always had, because I just like to have all these colors around myself. And then honestly, it's very strange that I don't have magazines in my house. I'm usually not a magazine kind of person. I'm more of the online reader kind of person. But yeah, I recently got figured in this magazine, that is Soranchi. It's a fashion and lifestyle magazine, and because I was the cover girl on the magazine, which is like yay. But then they sent me this copy of the magazine for my reference, and this is like my pen stand where I have some more stationery items. And yeah, I have a chart paper as well. So luckily I had gone to this one stationery shop nearby a week back, and I don't know why, I just had a feeling I want this chart paper, and I took it for myself. But in case you don't have a chart paper, then you can also use A4 sheets for that matter. So these are the only things I have. And yes, I have a pair of scissors and a tape as well. I don't have a gum actually, I have a tape. So I think I will be making use of these couple of items only. So the first thing that I need to have for the vision board is definitely some pictures that I want to put up on my vision board. So let's see if we have certain things inside this magazine which will help us. So okay, I like this picture, this Buddha picture, and it's very nice. So I'm not too much into like housing, and I don't have dreams of buying big houses, but oh my god, just look at this picture. I love this kind of house more as compared to those lavish concrete buildings. I've always had this kind of dream that I want to wake up in the morning and have a sea or like some kind of mountain in front of myself, and like a very small house. I want to have like a very small cute kind of house. This is something I'm like no, but this is something I'm like yes, I want this kind of house. So I think I'll consider this as well.
I got this weight on my shoulders, slowing me down. I don't know how it came about, and while the world is spinning faster every night, I feel I'm stuck in reverse somehow. But it ain't no one's fault that I am stuck here. I feel the pressure
So now I am done with cutting out all the pictures, and what is remaining is to start putting them on the chart paper. And very interesting part is that because the lockdown is happening and I don't want to go out specifically to buy anything extra, so whatever stuff I have in my house, in my room, I'm just trying to put that into use. And like I showed initially, I have some A4 sheets as well. So what I'll do is I will try to write down some of my goals which I could specifically not see in the magazine. All right, so I have some pictures, but at the same time I also have some quotes and some numbers in my mind which I want to pen down on this particular A4 sheet. All right, so let's get started. And I'm sure even you guys can do this at home, because I know that even if you don't have a single magazine as well, that's absolutely okay. You can always sketch something or draw something on a piece of paper and mention in a word format what exactly it means. So now I have the chart paper ready, and let's start putting down the goals on the chart paper. So this is how it's looking before I will start putting out the pictures on the chart paper. And my idea is to make it like a vertical vision board instead of a horizontal one. So as of now I have only these many pictures and goals ready, so there might be like a lot of white space which I will leave out, but let's see how I plan to fill that up later on.
I know it's all my fault that I am stuck here. No one to blame this on. Feeling so hopeless. I gotta find the way before it disappears. I cannot stay. I feel the pressure on me. How it's itching under my own skin. It's getting real hard to breathe. I gotta move on. Gotta move on right now. I feel the pressure.
So the first important goal that I have put on my vision board is that of being an international speaker who is known for working hard, being creative, and also being consistent in whatever she is doing. So this is the kind of crowd, the kind of audience with filled chairs, obviously, I imagine myself as at an international level. And coming down then to what I want my dream house to look like. So like I mentioned before as well, I don't really want to have like a lavish house with a lot of furniture, etc. I want to have more of like a natural scenic beauty around my house. So this is what I want my house to be like, full of love and happiness. And I want to have like a water body, like some kind of like swimming pool, something near the sea, and a lot of trees. So whenever I wake up in the morning, I can either have a look at the sky directly, or maybe just the water body, spend some time, take a walk around over here in my courtyard. And this is because I love plants, and I want to have a lot of plants, indoor and outdoor plants, in my house wherever I live. Fitness goals, I just wrote it like that because this is a number I want to get down to. So I'm not really sure how serious I am, but let's see. I'll keep you guys updated about this as well. So this is some of the interiors. Like I said, I don't want to have like a lot of lavish interior. I just want to have like cute simple corners filled with Buddha and Zen kind of environment, etc. And if you can see, very simple natural flowers I want to have. Then again, I love to have, my house somewhere near the sea, so that whenever I open the window and I look out, I can have the sea view around. So, and this one is something that I really want to have because I love dogs and cats, and I really want to have a pet, a happy pet. This one's a bit sad, but this is the only image I could actually find. And I also want to have open an NGO for animals where I can create a small change in the society for animals. So this is my personal goals, where I want to live a happy married life with my husband. Yes, I am married. Okay, then now coming to my business goals. So My business goals are pretty clear in itself. As you guys can see, I have my revenue number as 10 million by maybe a year from now approximately. Let's see. YouTube subscribers, 10,000 subscribers. I'm aiming for that as of now, because that's the next milestone. I don't want to write something like 1 million subscribers because I know it will take time, but let's go step by step. Then I want to have a following of 10,000 plus on Instagram, and because I so want to have that swipe up button on my profile, so that's why I've mentioned 10,000 following over there. FB is more, but yeah, that's fine. Then I want to teach lot of students through my online workshops, and it has been growing consistently, but my number is at least to touch 1,000 students for my upcoming workshop. So that's one more thing. And yeah, I want to have lots of subscribers in my YouTube channel, so I've mentioned that. And I want to be hardworking, I want to be creative, and I want to be consistent, most important, in whatever I'm doing. So there is like a lot of empty space in my chart. If you can see, like this entire area is empty because I couldn't really find more images to put on this area, and I just did not want to occupy the chart paper just for the heck of doing. So this is how it looks like right now, pretty much compressed and clean and simple, my vision board. I will try to do something more on it. I'm yet to decide what, but as of now, whatever I could. If you can see the mess that I have made over here, if you can see it over here. So I think as of now I'm done, and let's see, if I happen to find some more pictures, I will definitely keep you guys updated. So that was all about this video on this vision board. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then remember to like the video and also let me know in the comment tab below. Remember, you need to comment to let me know how you felt about this video and which particular one vision from my vision board really inspired you a lot, which you would want to take to your vision board as well. And if you have already made your vision board, I would be more than happy to actually see you posting a picture of your vision board on the comment section below. And if you still haven't started your vision board, like I said, it's better late than never. So after watching this video, I really hope you get a lot of positive inspiration and you really go and start making your own vision board, and later come back and drop in a comment with the picture of your vision board. So I will see you guys soon again. Till then, take care. Namaste.